The b-Pellucid ATX Gaming PC Case by Bluegears stands out with its sleek design, featuring a crystal-clear tempered glass front and side panel, allowing users to showcase their gaming setup. Incorporating modern connectivity options, this case includes built-in USB Type-C and USB 3.0 ports for enhanced convenience. Gamers can enjoy optimal cooling, as this case can accommodate up to 10 fans, providing a massive air cooling effect and a spectacular ARGB lighting display. Despite its slim mid-tower design, the interior is surprisingly spacious, fitting graphics cards up to 420 millimeters in length and supporting radiators of various sizes. The thoughtful design includes a removable and washable drawer-like dust filter on the bottom panel, ensuring easy maintenance and a clean interior. Supporting various motherboard sizes, including ATX, micro ATX, and mini ITX, this case offers versatility for different builds.